Think about this. You wake up feeling tired, your skin doesn't look as good as it used to, and you have no energy. Does this sound familiar?
What if I told you that all of this could change if you just changed one thing? How you eat.
Or to be more specific, by not eating at all for a few days. The idea of water fasting or only drinking water for a certain amount of time could seem severe.
But what if I told you that in just 72 hours, your body might experience an incredible transformation?
That's correct. 72 hours of water fasting could be the secret to unlocking a whole new level of health and vitality. What exactly is water fasting? The main idea behind water fasting is to not eat or drink anything but water. People all across the world have been doing it for hundreds of years, and it's becoming trendy again because of how good it is for your health.
You might have heard that water fasting can help you lose weight or clear up your skin, but the truth is that it can do a lot more than that.
But wait on, it gets better. The true magic arrives when you extend your fast beyond 24 hours, preferably up to 72 hours. What happens to your body after just 72 hours? 1. Autophagy, the hidden health hack. After 24 hours of fasting, your body initiates a process called autophagy. It's a kind of self-cleaning mechanism that kicks in when you stop eating, allowing your body to break down old, damaged cells and recycle them. But here's the kicker. After roughly 72 hours, autophagy hits its pinnacle. Your body starts cleaning house at a level you never imagined possible, revitalizing itself from the inside out. Imagine having a body that's literally recycling its own waste.
Before this went out, that's not simply a health benefit, that's a game changer.
2. Mental clarity. You won't believe. Ever feel like your brain is locked in the fog? Fasting is your ticket to mental clarity. It may sound impossible, but when your body runs out of glycogen, stored carbs, and begins burning fat for energy, you'll notice something surprising. Your thinking sharpens. No more midday slumps or hazy thoughts.
Fasting puts you into a state of ketosis, where your brain burns fat fuel, leading to increased concentration and clarity.
This is the kind of clarity you've been yearning for, but never imagined it could come from simply not eating.
Fat-burning furnace. If you're looking for a simple approach to shed a few pounds, water fasting could be your new best friend.
In just a few days, your body transforms from burning glucose to burning fat.
That means you'll begin to destroy fat, including stubborn belly fat, while giving your metabolism a healthy jumpstart.
It's like switching a switch in your body, turning it into a fat-burning fire.
And the best part, you don't have to hit the gym for hours to see the effect. Just drink water and let your body do the work.
4. Enhanced insulin sensitivity. Struggling with sugar cravings or regulating blood sugar levels?
Fasting helps enhance insulin sensitivity, meaning your body becomes more effective at using insulin to regulate blood sugar levels.
This can help prevent and control type 2 diabetes and dramatically improve your overall health.
By the time you reach 72 hours, you've not only raised your metabolism, but you've also put your body up for success when it comes to long-term health. 5. Cellular repair and rejuvenation. The beauty of fasting doesn't only reside in weight loss or greater focus. It's in the profound, restorative mending your body undergoes at a cellular level. When you fast, your cells get a chance to repair and revitalize themselves. It's like hitting the reset button on your body's health.
Your body is prioritizing repair over digestion.
Imagine how many long-term health benefits you could experience if your body had more time to rebuild itself. That's what happens after 72 hours of water fasting. Your body enters a condition of deep healing and rejuvenation.
I know what you're thinking. This all sounds fantastic, but can I actually pull it off? The answer is sure, but with a few qualifiers.
While water fasting might give amazing benefits, it's not for everyone. If you're new to fasting or have specific health conditions, it's vital to see a healthcare expert before attempting a 72-hour fast. If you're healthy and emotionally prepared, however, water fasting may be a safe and immensely satisfying practice. Start slow. Begin with shorter fasts and work your way up to lengthier ones. Your body will reward you for it. Why wait? The time to start is now. You've heard the facts, and now it's your turn to experience them. What if you could truly unleash your body's full potential, feel more energized, and watch your health transform, all by drinking water?
Don't wait for the perfect opportunity to start fasting. The rewards are waiting for you right now.
Imagine waking up feeling rejuvenated, focused, and ready to take on the world, knowing that your body is thriving inside and out.
Oh, are you ready to start your water fasting journey? The first step is simple. Drink water and see what happens after just a few days.